if the claim is true or not. For which you need to find out what went beforehand to find out if this is really an explanation of what went beforehand. And so I'm asking you, unless clearly you just believe in Mickey Mouse stories just because someone said the story. Is that what you do? Just because someone claims something, you'll just go with that. Is that what you do?
No.
Yeah, so in other words, I'd like to...
I think that's what you do.
That's what you said you
Believe
did.
in the Bible, isn't it?
Excuse me, sir. Did you just not say, the Quran says it's an explanation, therefore I don't have to read anything else? Did you not say that?
No, the Quran is saying
Yeah.
that it's explained what's in the scriptures.
That's a claim.
So, yeah, that's a claim.
Do you know if it is true or not? Do you know
Yes,
if it is
it's
true?
The Quran is
How,
true.
yeah, okay, so you think it's true. Explain, please. How is it
There's
true?
many scientific evidences in the Quran.
No, listen to me. How does it
There's no
explain what
contradictions in the
went in
Quran.
beforehand? Are you focusing on the question at hand? The Quran says that it is a confirmation of what is between your hands already.
Yeah.
And it says it is a detailed explanation of the scripture. And you say that is true. I'm asking you, have you verified that?
Does it say detailed?
What does it say then?
No, you had.
What does it say then?
No, but what?
No, what does it say
No,
then?
no, the previous.
Okay,
you
what
had,
is
you
it?
had word by word.
Okay, fine. Go through this again.
Yeah.
What does it say? Does it say detail? Confirmation of what is between your hands.
Yeah.
And a detailed explanation of the scripture.
It just says tafsil.
Oh yeah, tafsir.
Tafsil.
Yeah, fine.
It just says tafsil. It
That's
doesn't
fine,
say
that's fine.
detailed.
I'm,
It just says an explanation.
Well, you may know better than the Quranic Saudi Arabian fellows, maybe, but who knows? I'm going with
is an
the Saudi Arabian.
explanation,
I'm going with the Saudi Arabian fellows the explanation.
So according to you,
my
you
dear
think
friend,
the
please
word
stay focused
tafsir-
right now. First, stay
You
focused.
think
No,
the word tafsil means detailed explanation?
Listen to me, not me.
Can you prove it?
Not me, but your Arabic gentlemen think. The question
And
right
you
now
just
is,
believe it?
have you
Have
ever
you
checked this?
Have you checked up the meaning of the word tafsil?
Look, have you checked if this is
Have
true or
you
not?
checked the meaning
Ignore,
of the
okay,
word
let's say
tafsil?
the
And
detail.
you're saying it means detailed explanation.
Look at you. I can't believe
Can you
this. nuts.
prove that it says detailed explanation and not just explanation?
Okay, let's, maybe you're a little bit
So
angry.
you don't know things, but you just quote them?
Maybe you're a little bit angry.
How old are you?
Because you were caught off guard.
How old are you?
I am 40. So to you, I'm 40. You're 80, I'm 40.
All right.
So just half your age.
Okay.
So now let's focus on the argument again. At least you're laughing, that's good. Now let's focus on the argument again. The Quran says that it confirms what went beforehand. I am asking you, in all your 80
It
years of
doesn't say
living,
beforehand.
have you
It didn't say beforehand.
Okay.
Bring up the translation.
Confirmation of what is between your hands.
Yeah.
What is between your hands is already there, yeah?
Yeah, what exists.
Yeah. So what already exists?
You know, it would be better if you went to the tafsir.
No, please, stay focused.
Yeah.
You and I already agree. What is already between the hands is something that already exists.
Yes.
So I'm asking you, have you confirmed if that claim was true?
What was the claim again?
The claim was that the Quran claims that it is a confirmation of what was already between their hands. Confirmation of a book that was between their hands. Have you confirmed this claim?
It doesn't say a book that is.
What is between their hands?
It just says between their hands.
What, a video game? A video game?
Well, let's look at the tafsir.
You tell me what was between their
Well,
hands.
I need to look at the tafsir.
No,
and
excuse me, sir.
investigate.
What did the prophets give? Some video games?
We need to look at the tafsir.
I know. I'm
Full
asking you. Did they give a
explanation.
mobile phone to them, prophets? Hey, my friends have some mobile phones. Was there a mobile phone?
Well, we don't.
Christmas
we don't laugh
offer
about
of
these
some
sort
sort?
of things. It's a very serious matter.
I understand, and that is exactly
We
why
respect
I
the
want
prophets.
you. I
We
want you
respect-
instead of waffling on, answer the
respect the
question.
prophets.
You and I understand.
We
What did the
respect
prophets give?
revelations.
What did the prophets give? Scripture.
They gave revelation from God.
Yeah, which when they come between your hands, they are books. Yeah, scripture, written documents. And so I'm asking you, the Quran.
I'd need to look into it.
Mistakes. What is between your hands at that time from the prophets were books written of what was revelation. So the question to you is, the Quran claims that it is a confirmation of what was between their hands and a detailed explanation of the scripture. So question to you is, have you ever checked this claim?
I'd rather just have a few minutes to.
Have
look
you
at
ever
the
checked
tafsir
this claim?
I'd rather read the tafsir
Sure, sure. Please go ahead.
and then
Please
give
go
me a
ahead.
few minutes then.
No, please do that now.
It's going to take
No,
a bit
please.
of time.
That's fine. Don't worry. No, you haven't done it in your life so far. At least now we can do it together. We can take 2 minutes to do it. Please, if you take that, that would be lovely. It's quite sad, isn't it?
Pardon?
It's quite sad that you've read for 80 years a book and you don't understand what the book talks about. It's really sad.
What was the verse number again?
10:37. Surah 10, Ayah 37. Surah Yusuf, Ayah 30. Yunus, sorry, I think. Ayah 37.
I tell you, I'll go watch our 40. Our 40. No, our 40. It's so, I agree with you. There are people who want that because there are people who are born mentally, this is also mental disorder.
Reading a welcome article of some sort. My dear friend, how long have you been reading? Yeah, go ahead. Are you a Salafi yourself?
I don't know what when he says.
Just go with anything. You don't know anything. At least they'll know something.
Let me tell you one thing. If the gay blind guy,
Yeah, it's a confirmation of the Torah. What does it say? The Torah, the Gospel. Why are you hiding? You wanted to be a secret. Look at him. Now he's hiding. Yes, so the Gospels.
Let me read it in peace, yeah?
I know.
No, you're not-
So you can lie as you like, yeah? Unbelievable. So, yeah, there we go. The Torah, the Gospel, the Psalms, and other
But
scriptures.
it's in
Nice.
that they
Sure,
all
sure.
call to the profession of divine
No,
oneness.
forget it. No, no, please. Now, so you've
And they
read the...
contain the traits and description of Muhammad.
So you understand what the scriptures are. It says Torah, Gospel, Psalms, and other scriptures. Now please focus. Have you ever checked personally if the Quran confirms what are parts of the Bible?
Pardon?
The Torah, the Gospels are part of the Bible. Have you confirmed if the claim is true?
Well, I already know what the messenger said. Okay.
Have you
He basically
confirmed
said
if the
anything
claim
that
is true?
contradicts anything that contradicts Islam from the previous scriptures, we don't accept it. Now, listen, can I just finish?
No.
Because
not interested in
yeah.
your brainwash.
No, no,
statements.
but this is.
I'm
but-
asking
no, but if
you.
you're going to read the Quran,
Have you confirmed if the claim that the Quran confirms what came before is true or not? Have you confirmed that?
the Quran is also confirming the messengers that have come before.
Claiming. It's claiming that it's a confirmation
Yeah.
of what came
But
before.
not everything
Have
that
you
is
checked if the claim is true?
Yeah, but the Quran also says these scriptures have been changed by people's
Mr. X,
hands.
are you staying focused?
And history
Say,
says that
are
as
you,
well.
are you listening to me?
Scholars say as
Are
well.
you listening to me? Please listen to me. You're not listening carefully.
you can't
Please
just take
listen
one
to me.
verse and
The
say,
Quran claims.
Quran says many things.
Sure. But
you-
please stay focused
you need
right
to
now.
bring the things together.
Sure. But
to get
now,
an overall understanding.
one second. But if you stay focused right now,
Yeah.
I've asked one question, and so far you've been waffling on about this, about that, about everything apart from the question at hand. So the Quran claims that it is a confirmation of what was there between their hands already and what was and a detailed explanation of the scripture.
Explanation, not detail.
An explanation of the scripture. The Quran, and you read the tafsir of the Quran, one of the tafsirs, and the tafsir tells you what it calls as the scripture, which is the Torah, the Gospels, and so on. So it's a claim that the Quran makes. Have you ever, in your 80 years, checked in your life if this claim is true?
The Quran says it confirms what is between your hands, so in front of you, but it doesn't say that everything contained within those scriptures is correct. It's just confirming.
Will you
that
focus on the
these are
question at hand?
scriptures. We're confirming the scriptures, but it's not confirming everything within them is correct. You
Okay,
can say
I'll
that.
give you a role play.
Yeah.
So let's say I'm standing here. One second. Let's say you are standing here and you say A, B, C, and whatever. You make a few claims. And then I come alongside and say, look, anything that he says, I confirm. Yeah. You say something, A, B, C, whatever number of claims you make. And then I come here and say, anything he says, I confirm. Now listen, please. What does that mean? That means I am confirming everything I've said, you have said so far. My question to you is, have you confirmed if that claim is true?
The two key words you used were anything and everything.
Yeah, if I said I
Can you
confirm.
find those two words in that verse?
Listen to me then. So I come here, I come here,
And
I
there
come
is no
here,
everything.
I come
No
here.
anything, no everything.
I come here and
It's
say,
just confirming
Sure.
that there.
Okay,
these
we'll
were
wrap up in
scriptures-
one last time.
these
I'll
were
ask
scriptures
ask
that
one
came,
last time.
They are being confirmed, but not everything and not anything in them is
Sure.
being confirmed.
I'll confirm.
There is some truth in them.
Okay.
And
You're repeating your brainwashed nonsense. I come here and I
they've
say,
been adulterated.
I confirm what he says. What do I mean?
so you confirm
Let's say you were saying something, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's say to the cameras you're saying blah 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 blah, which is what you've been saying so far. And I come here and I say, I confirm what he says. What do I mean?
Okay. Now, you could.
What do I
You
mean?
could come in front of a painting, for example.
No. Stick to
Alright?
the example I've given.
No, that's what I'm
What
gonna-
do I
so- so
mean?
very
What do
accurate
I mean?
example.
What do I mean?
Like you could have a painting that maybe,
Stick to my example.
Okay, I am.
So you are
You've got a
saying blah blah
painting,
blah.
like,
You are
you've got
saying
a-
blah
you've
blah.
got a-
One second,
you've got a
mistakes,
painting.
one second. There's no painting now. You can't do painting, please.
course
Stay
you can.
focused. All that you could do is
Very
blah blah blah.
accurate, because scriptures
Mistakes.
are like paintings.
Mistakes, please. So far, all that you did is blah blah blah. So you say blah blah blah. I come here and say I confirm what he said. What am I saying? Please say. Please explain. What am I saying?
Like you're saying that the scripture may at one point have been revealed and been correct, but has since been changed.
What was there between their hands? What they were holding between their hands?
Between their
Sure.
hands,
So
they
now
were
stay
holding-
focused here. Stay focused right now.
They were-
between their hands they were holding,
They were hol-
and that was
they were
scripture.
holding
Did you confirm if this claim is true or not?
They were holding scriptures that had been changed.
In other words, the Quran is clueless. The Quran was saying, I confirm change literature. Thank you very much, Mr. X.
Yes.
It was lovely speaking to you.
That's what it says.
Next time, come
That- we
prepared.
could've- we
Come
could've
prepared.
cut it short by
Next
saying
time,
that.
next
They-
time,
it
come
con-
prepared.
it confirms
Clearly, you are unprepared this
change
time also.
literature.
Even this time, you are unprepared. Next time, when you come prepared. Choose one topic and come prepared. Okay? Next time.
I think maybe I will
Take a break.
Yeah.
Few months break. Maybe now you're
I
80.
didn't come prepared, I'll be honest.
I know, you're never prepared. As a Muslim, you never can be prepared. Because Muslims are clueless, they haven't got a clue, and reading the Quran doesn't help them, and therefore they'll always be clueless. So no Muslim can come prepared. Look at these guys. Look at the mafia gang out there, the free Quran stand mafia gang. You know why he wears a scarf, a table towel on top? The guy with the table towel on top of his head, the red and white checkered table towel. The reason he wears that is because he's hiding. He is hiding. He is hiding from Christians. That's why he's wearing that. And so none of these fellows,
But anyway,
none
we
of these
did make
fellows come
progress
prepared.
because we
I know,
got to-
because you
we
didn't
got
make
to-
sense.
the
Now,
Quran
now you need to
confirms-
move, now you need to move around.
the
Move
Quran
around, please,
confirms
please move around.
scriptures that are-
This way. This
Yeah,
way.
I'll go this way
Yeah,
then.
please.
The
That-
Quran
please,
confirms
that way.
scriptures
Thank you very much. All right.